2. Our last heat is coming up, and that will be our corporate entry. Boats are in the water. Crews getting in. Submarine crawling on.
Oh my God, Grant, move.
I hope your paddles are behind us.
Just on the other side of the giant boat.
You can zoom in, Mom.
Okay, better pay attention. There are no waves.
Just go for full view.
How do you do full view?
You're
3,
good.
2,
Keep the air pressure.
1, go!
Come on, dances with waves!
Off to a good start. Dances with waves. Making a pretty good wave. Yellow Submarine, it's easy and steady. Heading to the first buoy and off to the second buoy. DeMayo, well, he's just spreading his wings and going.
They're going. I know.
You want to catch the wake between, catch that wake between Yellow Submarine. Whoa. I don't, is that legal?
Are they taking on water?
I was going to say, this is a no-wake pond. I don't know about that.
Uh-oh, she's crying.
Well, we can...
Stay the course!
Oh, we can ask the duck. Ask that duck out there if this is a no-wake pond. Okay, Yellow Submarine is around the buoy, dancing with waves. It's going down slow. Maybe they caught the wake, and their wave wasn't strong enough to overtake the wake. I don't know. First place in the seed is Yellow Submarine, looking good.
Thanks, guys.
Cinco de Mayo on his way to the buoy. Dances with waves.
Oh, dances with waves.
It's another day.
That was good.
Well, I think the Yellow Submarine has done a very good job of keeping up with our theme for the entire Summerfest, with that love, peace, and rock and roll theme. Let's give them a round of applause. What a great looking boat, great looking endeavor, and they're our winner. Yellow Submarine, good job. Dances with Waves, we're going to clear their boat out. Two boats in our corporate group. If you will make your way to the staging area, Wheaties and Wigan Pen. Wigan Pen and Wheaties. This will be our last race of the afternoon in this, the 19th annual Cardboard Boat Regatta as part of Summerfest. Cinco de Mayo, still in this thing.